Now today we will start with exercise 1.4. If you have any doubts in previous questions, go to the videos which I have uploaded before. Exercise 1.4 consists of number line. In this we have to draw the decimal points, or we have to mark the decimal points on the number line. Earlier we used to always mark the integers like -3, -2, 0, 1 on the number line, but now we have to plot a decimal number on the number line. Let's see how we will achieve this. Now the first question of exercise 1.4. Visualize 3.765 on the number line. While solving this question, we will draw the number line again and again by zooming in the specific parts which is asked in the question. Magnification means zooming it, enlarging it, or making things grow bigger. Let's see how we'll do this. So first of all, I will draw the number line consisting of numbers from -10 to +10. The distance between the numbers will be 1 centimeter. Now the number which I have to plot is 3.7. So 3.7 is bigger than 3 and less than 4. So it will lie between 3 and 4. Now I will divide the line into 10 parts from 3 to 4, like 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, so on till 3.9 up to 4. Now my number is 3.76. So 3.76 means the number will be somewhere between 3.7 and 3.8, because 3.76 is bigger than 3.7 and less than 3.8. So now I will zoom in this portion of the number line. Again I will divide the number line in 10 parts and mark the points as 3.71, 3.72, 3.73 and 3.74 and so on up to 3.79 and 4. You can see the labeling of this part in the next diagram. Now the number 3.765, it will lie between 3.76 and 3.77. So now I will zoom in this part of the number line and again I will divide it into 10 equal parts. So now the parts will be labeled as 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764 and so on. So 3.765, this is the required decimal up to 3 digits representation of the number. This is how you will divide the line and this is how your diagram will look in your copy. It's not necessary for you all to make this magnifying lens. You can just make the lines and show the diagram in your copy. So this is the point 3.765. And always keep in mind, only use your pencil and ruler to draw this diagram. Don't use your black pens. Now we move on to question number 2. Visualize 4.2626 or visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal digits. So this is also same. First I will draw the number line, divide it into 10 equal parts. Then my number is 4.2. So I will consider the line between 4 and 5. So I will zoom in the line between 4 and 5 and again divide it into 10 parts like 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and so on. Now the number was 4.26. So it will lie somewhere between 4.2 and 4.3. Now again I will zoom in this part 4.2 and divide it into 10 parts 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Now the number is 4.262. So it will lie between 4.26 and 4.27. So again I will zoom in this portion and I will divide it into 10 parts, 4.261, 4.262 and so on up to 4.269. So the number lies between 4.262, so it will lie between this point and this. So again I will zoom in this portion, I will divide it into 10 parts and the number would be like 4.262, 4.2621, 4.2622 and so on. The number that I want to plot on the number line is 4.2626. So it lies between 4.2625 and over here comes the 4.2626. So this is the required number. All of you all complete the work in your notebooks, and if you all have any doubt we will discuss it in the next class. And don't forget to practice your maths daily.